Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by deciding what the QR will encode and why. Pick a URL for tracking or text for quick info. Next, open a reputable generator, web tool, mobile app, or library in your project and set format to QR code. Enter the exact content because accuracy matters for scanning. For URLs, include HTTP or HTTPS so devices recognize it. Once done, choose encoding type and error correction level to balance resilience versus capacity. You now refine the QR. Set physical dimensions and pixel density depending on print or screen usage, since small sizes fail. Adjust error correction. Higher levels let you embed logos but increase module density, and choose foreground/background colors with strong contrast so scanners read reliably. If adding a logo, make it centered and limited to the safe area. Then export a test file, because visual tweaks can break readability, if not validated on multiple devices. You finish by exporting high-quality assets. Use PNG for general use, SVG for vector scaling, or PDF for print. Save an original file with margin, quiet zone, intact. Now verify by scanning with at least 3 different devices and apps to confirm consistent behavior and that any embedded links open correctly. If a scan fails, make adjustments. Increase physical size, use higher error correction, restore full contrast colors, or remove logo overlays. This one troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.